Welcome to this Windows tutorial, and here I'll detail how to partition laptop hard drive in Windows 11 as well as in Windows 10. So if you want to create D drive on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, once you have the C drive or you want to create a drive, then this is going to allow you to partition C drive in Windows 10 and Windows 11 without formatting it. So basically you can see I have single drive here, which is my C drive. Here I'm going to show you how I was able to partition this Windows on my laptop. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Mark you, when you want to partition your hard drive on your Windows or your Windows 10 and Windows 11, you need to determine the size of partition you want to give the second drive. So if you are creating a D drive, then you need to decide whether you want to use the half of the disk you have free on the local disk C on the D drive, or better still, you just want to take a portion of it so that all your files and data in it. So now the first thing you want to do when you want to partition your hard drive on Windows 10 and Windows 11 is come to your desktop. On your desktop, right click on Windows icon, just right click on it like this, just pull up this page and select disk management. Now once you selected disk management, you're going to see your laptop hard drive disk management, and now you're going to see all your partitions here. You can see I have the C partition, which is the C drive. If you have D drive here, you're going to see the D drive. Now to create D drive or partition your laptop hard drive in this Windows 10 or Windows 11, just come to volume. Make sure you come to the volume section here and right click on C drive. Once you right click on C drive, come down here and click on shrink volume. Now the essence of this is going to create another space for you that you can use to shrink volume on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 to create another partition different from the C drive. This could be D drive and it could be X drive. This depends on your choice. Now you're going to see the total size before shrink. So this is what I have. Then size of available shrink space in MB. So here is the total size I have the privilege to shrink. Now to create this partition, I just need to delete what I have here and take a portion of the size available shrink space in MB. Now here, I'm just going to go ahead and take 70,000 MB. Then once you select 70,000 or the total number of shrink you want to shrink here, you're going to see total size after shrink in MB. So I type this and the total size after shrinking is going to be this. Then once you type in the D drive you want to create in your hard drive partition on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 like this, just come here and click on shrink. So select shrink, then just hang on while this shrinks. So this might take a couple of seconds, and once the shrink finishes, this is going to create a D drive or another partition called unallocated on your Windows computer. Then if you go back to your Windows and here you come here and click on this PC in the Explorer, you can see we are still having the C drive. Now minimize this. Now when on the disk management space, locate unallocated here, then click on it. Once you click on unallocated, right click it like this and select new simple volume. Now once you selected new simple volume, you're going to see this wizard comes up. On the wizard, this wizard helps you create a simple volume on a disk. A simple volume can only be on a single disk. Then go ahead and click on next. Now once you hit the next button, you should see the maximum disk space in MB and then the minimum disk space in MB. So you can choose between 8 MB and 70,000 MB, and you can also use this default size, simple volume size in MB. So this is the default. Just go ahead and use the default and click on next. Now once you selected next, you should see assign drive letter or path. Then you can see you already have the C drive like this. Now to create the drive here, you need to assign the letter when you are trying to create the partition on your C drive. So assign the following drive letter. Click on this drop menu. Then you can choose B, D, E, F from the alphabet all through except C drive. So this C drive is already taken. Then go ahead and select D drive, and this is going to create your D drive. Then the next thing is, if you don't want to assign letter to your drive, you can say do not assign letter to drive or drive path. Just select this. But here we're going to assign the D drive to create a D drive on our Windows 11 or Windows 10. Then once selected, come here and select next. Now here, do not change any settings here. You can see partition, format partition to store data in this partition. You must first format it. So make sure you select format this volume with the following and come to file system, click on this drop menu and make sure you select NTFS if what you have here as default is EXFAT. So just click on the drop menu and click on NTFS. Once selected, leave others as default, then go ahead and click on next. Now once you click on next, you see you have successfully completed the new simple volume wizard. Then these are the information of the new D drive you are trying to create on your Windows 11. Then go ahead and click on finish. Now once you tap the finish button, just hang on. See a new volume comes up here. Now if you go back to your PC, then you're going to see we now have a D drive. And the total size of the files on the D drive is about 68.2 gigabytes, free of 68.3 gigabytes. So if you click on this drive, you see you only have the system information here. So there's nothing really in the drive, which is actually an empty drive. Then come back to the disk partition. If you come here, click on this, you're going to see the new volume. However, if you want to remove new volume from the partition, just come here, click on property. Now once you selected property, delete new volume here, and that's going to show only drive D or D drive. Then go ahead and click on apply. Once you hit the apply button, go ahead and click on OK. Now once you selected OK, you're going to have the C drive as well as the D drive in the disk partition, and here is the disk size, and this is the free space. Now if you go back to the file explorer on Windows 10 or Windows 11, then you can see it's now another local disk D. Now you now have two partitions of the laptop hard drive or your desktop hard drive. Mark you, while doing this, you need to make sure that the new local drive D that you created in the partition is lesser than the local disk C, so that this is not going to affect your system processing unit. Then another way you can use to do this, if you don't want to go through all the process we shared here, is just come to your file explorer. Just open the file explorer on your Windows, either Windows 10 or Windows 11. This works. Then scroll down here and click on this PC. Now once you selected this PC, right click on it on the disk PC itself. So once you right click, locate manage or disk management. If it is not here, go ahead and click on show more options. Then here locate manage. Now once you selected manage, hang on, and here you should say this. Now once this pops, locate storage and make sure you click on disk management. Now once you selected disk management, wait for this page to load. Here you can create another hard drive partition following the same process. Just come to either disk D, right click, click on shrink volume, then hang on, give it the total number of megabytes you want to shrink out of the total volume. So let's say I'm shrinking 30,000, then go ahead and click on shrink. Then once you tap shrink, you're going to see another unallocated storage size. Right click it again, click on new simple volume, then click on next. Then here click on next to set the default. Then give this either create drive D or drive E. Mark you, we already taken C and D are already taken. Just select E and click on next. Then where you see volume label, delete the volume label here. And then system files, make sure you select NTFS. Then also check format this volume with the following, so that this is going to format the disk after the partition is created. Then go ahead and click on next. Hit next button to finish up, and then you should say formatting. Then here you're going to have another drive E. Then if you close the disk management, open the file explorer on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, scroll down, click on this PC. Then here you're going to see all the partition you created. So we can now see we have disk D and local disk E as well as local disk C. So that is basically how to partition laptop hard drive in Windows 10 and Windows 11. This allows you to partition C drive in your Windows, either Windows 10 or Windows 11, without formatting. So I do this without formatting my PC, and of course you can do the same. So that is basically how to partition laptop hard drive in Windows 11 as well as Windows 10. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.